The AllFuel HST attic insulation shield is used in through-the-attic installations to prevent insulation and other debris from contacting the chimney pipe. The attic insulation shield is placed above the square ceiling support box on top of the framing where the chimney passes through the attic. The included storm collar connects to the length of chimney pipe passing through the attic insulation shield to seal the opening and keep out debris. If the chimney is fully enclosed in a chase in the attic insulation shield is not required. The AllFuel HST attic insulation shield and storm collar are made of 304 stainless steel for superior corrosion resistance. The AllFuel HST Class-A double wall insulated chimney system is designed for appliances that are listed for use with a 2100 degree high temperature chimney, including wood stoves, fireplaces, fireboxes, furnaces, boilers, water heaters, pizza ovens, and other appliances fueled by wood, gas, coal, or oil. This insulated chimney system requires a 2-inch clearance to combustibles and can be installed in through the wall, through the attic, multi-story, cathedral ceiling, and roof-supported installations. Please note that all Class A chimney systems are brand specific, meaning the AllFuel HST brand of chimney pipe cannot be connected to any other brand of double wall chimney.